Forget the generic holiday decor. This season, I'm building a massive one-of-a-kind Christmas statement piece using AI-inspired art and a custom rustic frame. You won't believe the transformation to this truly elevated look. So the canvases we'll be replacing today is our living room canvas and our entryway canvas. After going store to store, I couldn't find what I liked, so I decided to use AI generated images to create me a canvas that not only expressed my creativity, but I also was able to add a personal touch to this year's theme. So without further ado, let's get started. My original plan for this canvas was 36 by 48, but I made a mistake ordering and forgot to add the extra 3 inches needed for a perfect wrap. So to save this beautiful AI artwork, I had to adjust both frames to be 3 inches shorter than I planned, which also meant I had to adjust the frame's overall depth. After all of my straight cuts, I decided to do miter cuts off camera, but you can see how the corners of the internal frame, which are the stretcher bars, will look for the wrapped canvas. Okay, here's a pro tip. Don't be like me. I forgot to apply wood glue to that first corner before nailing it together. Glue is actually stronger than the nail itself, so I'm applying it to the remaining joints now. And I just poured a little bit on a plate because my glue is actually clogged.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
Alright, our frames are built and now it's time for the fun part, which is stretching the fabric. I'm laying the canvas down, making sure it's face down and perfectly flat.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la la la, oh, oh, la la la, oh, oh, la 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da. Oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's?
Now that our canvases are almost done, I wanted to give this gingerbread canvas a little bit more dimension, so I'm using lightweight spackle and a small palette knife to kind of layer on some texture to make the snow just pop right out the canvas.
Together forever, but never apart. Sometimes in distance, but never in heart. Such fine words and stuff, just about enough. Come home and spend Christmas with me. Spend Christmas with me. No more long distance love. Come home and spend Christmas.
Alright guys, so today is a new day, and today we're going to be starting on our outer frame. So we're going to create a frame around our canvases to thicken it and to also give it a elevated look. So without further ado, let's get started. Since I was officially on mom life duty today, I dispatched my favorite shopping assistant to grab the final pieces of wood for the outer frame. He was quick and efficient, which was exactly what I needed to complete this project.
Spend Christmas with me. 'Cause all I ever wanted was for you to spend this Christmas with me.
I skipped the tricky assembly for this frame, but now it's ready for its final color out here in the garage. I chose a deep espresso spray paint for the frame, which instantly made the piece feel more vintage. And to really lean into this rustic look, I used this decorative rope material to go on the outer edges of the frame to give this frame a beautiful antique and elevated feel.
Spend Christmas with me. Spend Christmas with me.
Seeing my custom AI inspired art come to life has been so amazing, and now that the frame is built, you absolutely don't want to miss the next video because it'll be a decorate with me. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you can see these beautiful canvases hung up with all the Christmas decor that I got. And I just want to say happy holidays to you guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye guys.